Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome to Maths online class. Today we are going to see another concept. Before saying about the concept, have you heard your parents discussing on their business matters? Whether they are saying that due to this COVID-19 situation, their business are running at a loss or they are not having a profit for the last 2 months. Have you heard about the words profit and loss? You know what is this profit and loss? Today we can discuss about profit and loss. In order to discuss about profit and loss, we should know what is SP and CP. For that, consider the example. Raju bought a toy for rupees 500. Later he sold to his friend for rupees 250. What is there in this example? Raju bought a toy, isn't it? He bought it for how much rupees? 500. So that is known as CP. CP means cost price. The amount for which we are buying. That is CP. And he sold to his friend for rupees 450. That means SP of that toy is 450. So what is SP? Selling price. So SP is selling price and CP is cost price. In order to find profit and loss, we should know the relation between SP and CP. I said in order to calculate profit and loss, we should know the relation between SP and CP. So if we want profit, the relation should be SP should greater than CP. That means selling price should be greater than cost price. Then only we have profit. So how can we calculate profit? Profit can be calculated by SP minus CP. So when the selling price is greater than cost price, we have profit. Look at the example. Imagine selling price is rupees 350 and the cost price is rupees 150. That means I bought an item for 150 rupees. I bought the item for 150 rupees and I sold that item for rupees 350. What happens to me? Whether I gain or I get the money or I lose the money. Think, I am buying it for how much rupees? 150 rupees and I am selling it for 350 rupees. That means some amount of money I am getting. That is known as profit. We can calculate what is the profit here. That is, I said if selling price is greater than cost price, we have profit. How can we calculate profit? SP minus CP. So what is SP here? 350. What is CP? 150. Subtracting what I am getting? Rupees 200. So rupees 200 rupees I gained. That means by this I am getting a profit of rupees 200. So when we have profit when selling price is greater than cost price. What happens when CP is greater than SP? When cost price is greater than the selling price, we have a loss. So how can we calculate loss? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Look this example. Selling price is equal to rupees 250. Cost price is rupees 400. So here which is greater? CP or SP? Here cost price is greater. So what happens? We have a loss. So how can we calculate loss? CP minus SP. That is 400 minus 250 rupees 150. Here by this I am having a loss of rupees 150. That means an amount of 150 rupees is less for me after selling. I bought it for 400 rupees but I am selling for rupees 250. So from my hand I am losing a rupees of rupees 150. That is profit and loss. When I have profit, some amount is coming to me, and if I am having loss, some amount is losing from me. Now overheads. What do we mean by overheads? Means nothing additional charge such as transport charge, repair cost. Such charges are known as additional charges are known as overheads. If we are saying an example, cost of cloth rupees 150, cost of stitching rupees 45. So here the cost is what? The cost price is 150. Along with it, we are having an additional charge 45. So, in order here for finding the total cost, in such cases, the total cost is found by adding cost CP plus the overhead. Here, what is the overhead? Stitching. That is extra expense coming for us. So, that is the overhead here. So, cost of cloth is 150 plus this cost of stitching will be the total cost. So, how can we find the total cost? Total cost is equal to given cost price plus the overhead. What is the overhead here? Cost of stitching is the overhead. So, total cost is 150 plus 45 rupees 95. 195. So, in this case, the CP will be what? 195. So, that is overhead. What is overhead? The additional charges such as transport charge, repair cost, etc. Now, we can solve some example questions. First question, given cost price is equal to rupees 20.75 and selling price is rupees 25. Here what do you mean by 20.75? 75 means 20 rupees 75 paisa. So compare. If you want to find profit or loss, we should compare between cost price and selling price by looking which is greater, 20.75 or 25, which is greater. Yes, here selling price is greater. So, if selling price is greater than cost price, what we have? Profit. How can we find? Selling price minus cost price. That means 25 rupees minus 20 rupees 75 paisa. Here, subtracting you should be careful because here this part, here 25 means it is having only rupees part, no paisa. So, when you are writing, you should write in that order itself. 25, I am separating 25 this by rupees and decimal. Because in the second number, we are having a paisa part and a rupees part. So, we have to write in this order. Now, 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So, from where we will borrow? We have to borrow from here. So, this becomes 9. This becomes 10. So, 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So, what is the profit here? Rupees for 25 paisa. Next example. In the next example, cost price is rupees 12,500. Overhead rupees 1,000. Selling price is rupees 13,595. If you are getting such a question, you cannot compare this cost price and selling price. Why? If overhead is there, we have to first find total cost. How can we find total cost? Total cost is given cost price plus the overhead. So, 12,500 plus 1,000. What do you have? 13,500. So, the total cost is what? 13,500. Now, this cost price and this selling price you have to compare. Not this cost price. What is the new cost price we have? 13,500. What is the selling price? 13,595. Now comparing which is greater? Selling price is greater. Selling price is greater than CP. So we have profit. How can we find profit? Selling price minus cost price. When subtracting 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So what we have the profit here? Rupees 95 rupees we got the profit. So if in the question overhead is there, the first step is we have to calculate total cost. Then that should be our cost price. Then compare with selling price. Next example, cost price is given as rupees 20.75 paisa. Overhead is rupees 2.75 paisa. Selling price is given as rupees 25. So I said which is our first step. If overhead is there, we have to find total cost first. How we will find the total cost? Cost price plus overhead. So adding 20 rupees 75 paisa with 2 rupees 75 paisa we are getting. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over 1, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 5 writing here, 1 over here. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 3. Now writing that 2 here. So what we got the new cost price? Rupees 23 rupees 50 paisa. What is the selling price? Rupees 25. Which is greater? Selling price is greater. So we have profit. So calculating the profit 25 rupees. Subtracting 23 rupees 50 from 25. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 cannot be subtracted. So we are borrowing from 5. So 4. Here 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So how much rupees they are having the profit? Rupees 150 paisa. Next example. Given cost price is equal to rupees 445. Selling price is equal to rupees 395. So here there is no overhead. So compare the cost price and selling price. Which is greater here? Here cost price is greater. That means cost price is greater than selling price. What we have? Loss. We have loss. So loss equal to cost price minus selling price. What is cost price here? 445 minus 395. Subtracting 5 minus 5, 0. Here after borrowing we have 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. So how much rupees we have lost? Rupees 50. Example. Cost price is given as rupees 2500. Overhead we have rupees 150. And selling price we have rupees 2500. Here in the question, CP and SP are equal. But we have what? An overhead also we have. So we cannot say this is the cost price. First we have to find the total cost. How can we find the total cost? Cost price plus overhead. What is that? 2500 plus 150. We have 2650 as cost price. Now this is the new cost price. Now comparing cost price and selling price. Which is greater here? Cost price is greater. So if cost price is greater, what we have? Loss. So how can we find loss? Loss is CP minus SP. That means 2650 minus 2500. Subtracting 150. That overhead amount, that is loss for them. So concluding today's video, today we discussed what is profit and loss and also how to calculate profit and loss. So when we are doing a business, what we have to have? Profit or loss? Yes, we should make the business to profit. Copy down the notes of this session and attend the test paper. Some more concept regarding profit and loss that we can meet in the next video. Thank you.